Baltic Piccolo to Embark 1336. Within Latvia, for example, the taxes are so big that if you are going to get 2,000 euros net, the company must pay you 4,000. This is amazing. So really everybody gets like 1,000, 1,600, 1,400, 1,300. Now within this fleet of Italian Ropax ships, we need about 200. Baltic Piccolo. Piccolo is the starting onboard services catering personnel. Same thing for the galley assistant within the kitchen. Galley is another 50, total 250 on board, 250 shore. It is impossible the companies or bars and restaurants can afford to pay 2,000 net in Latvia, for example, because that means it's 4,000. So that's crazy how many cakes and how many coffees we have to sell business people to get 4,000 revenue and then 2,000 to your pocket. So it is really difficult for you, Baltic stewards, to get 2,000 net. Here you can start 2,000 net on board Italian flag ships, passenger ships. 67,000 ton ships between Barcelona and Italy. Even you can relocate to the south of Europe. Nice weather. Now is the winter starting up north. We have sun, smiling people. Yes, everybody smiles. In Italy, life is beautiful. Italian food is magnificent. Italian professionals, excellent. You can learn basic Italian. We have this manual of Italian language for you to have basic safety. And also we have this ship owner CV format. Crew inspector is a Latvian company, yes. Crew inspector software, please fill up your CV. Then we have this codice fiscale. It's very easy to get in Lithuania, for example, 1 week. The codice fiscale is the social security, because you will have social security if you are on board a cruise ship with no social security, if you are on board the flag of convenience with no social security, if you are in any company now with no social security. Think about your career path, because here is 2,000 net first year, second year 2,400, and then after 18 months you go up to steward rank, which is 2,100. On board the kitchen, same thing. You start 2,000 as a galley assistant in the kitchen, and then you go intermediate 2,004 or 500 net plus Italian social security, and then 3,000 passenger cook. So please think about this, having a career path. It is 55 passenger ships south of Europe. Nice weather, nice people. You can relocate, and the tax, I'm sorry about it, is too bad for you. Same in many other countries in Europe, but then here it is an opportunity. So you have your career. If you're a young person, you're thinking to getting a job and having a career on board the catering ships, please apply urgent. Grazie, ciao, arrivederci.